Hey, welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem using order of operations, which is basically like a guidebook of how to solve order of operations, which you start off with simplifying your parentheses, then you solve or simplify your exponents, multiply and divide, but that's from left to right. And then adding and subtract is last, and it's from left to right, meaning from the farthest left of the problem. So let's get started. The first thing I notice is we do have parentheses. So inside the parentheses is 4 squared, take away 10. I always like to just ignore anything outside the parentheses and pretend that's the only thing we're doing. So 4 squared actually means 4 times 4, which will give me 16. I know I can solve 16, take away 10 at the same time, but I like to just rewrite left to right because as we get into advanced math classes, it does get a little harder. After that, we have 16 take away 10 is still in the parentheses, so I'm still not done with that step. And that would give us 6. I'll bring everything else down. I'm holding on to the parentheses. You'll see why. Still got my exponents, 5 squared. Now I have parentheses, but here's what the thing is. There's nothing inside that parentheses except 6. So now this parentheses now is multiplying. And I know that's a little complicated to throw in a video, but there you can't simplify a 6 inside, and I can't just leave 6, 6, and it becomes 66. Now, 6 groups of negative 6 will give me negative 36. I'm bringing down the rest of the problem. Now I have my parentheses taken care of. Now I work on exponents. And then, like I said, that means 5 by 5, which is 25. I will bring all the rest down. And then now there's no adding, it's all strictly subtracting. So now I can solve the farthest left problem. That's what I mean by left to right. 25 take away 36 will give me a negative 11. So if you do need help with some integers, please check out my integer playlist. Take away 3. So if you're below, I'll throw this in here, negative 11, you go down negative 3. Down negative 11, and then from there you're going to go down 3 more, and you end up at negative 14. All right, so let's go to another problem. If you feel like you could go ahead and solve it now, I would recommend that. Even if you watch me, you could watch the entire video, then copy the problem down, and then try to solve it on your own and see if you get the same answer as I did. So go back into parentheses is first. Like I said, this is just like the rules. We do have a set. We actually have parentheses and brackets. So we want to go to the one that is the most center, has the most grouping symbols. I guess that's how I look at it as. 42 divided by 7 will give me 6. I'm holding on to everything. That x is actually times. It's not a variable in this case. 2 to the third power, bringing everything down, just left to right. I'm still looking here. And so I have my exponents. I'm going to knock that out, which means 2 times 2 times 2, which will give me 8. Bring down the 6 and my brackets. Oops. Times 9. 5 plus. So now I'm still continuing. I have 8 take away 6, which gives me 2. I'll bring everything down. 5 plus 2. Oops. Times 9. Well, I'm only left with adding and multiplying, so I definitely am going to multiply because that comes before. 2 groups of 9 gives me 18 plus 5. And so 18 plus 5 is the final thing that I simplify, which will give me 23. Well, thanks for watching. I do hope it helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for future videos.